Hello student, this is your maths teacher and here I am going to explain new question which based on circle. In the last video, I hope you understood everything whatever I taught you. And yes, no doubt, somebody also asked the doubt in the comment and I hope clear whenever I replied. So student, in this video we shall discuss the question which based on circle and there will be the question is slightly different than the other question. That means now we are going to solve the question based on the area. In the last few video, the question that I taught you was based on perimeter, that is the circumference of circle. So now let's start. Here we can see a question. The question is find the radius of circle whose area is twice the area of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. So this is the question. The question is we have to find the radius of a circle whose area is twice than the area of a circle whose radius is 14 centimeter, which is given. So since the radius of second circle is given but the radius of first circle is not given, that is have to find. So let's find the area of the circle whose radius is given, because when we find the area of the circle whose radius is given, then through which we can relate this area to the area of that circle whose radius is not given. So first of all, we find the area of circle whose radius is 14 centimeter. So here we write the area of circle of radius 14 centimeter is equal to pi r square. The formula of the area is pi r square, and we know that the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14, and I hope now you have already learned what is the value of pi and there is no need to write again and again the value of pi. So here I have write it. Now let's substitute the value of the given quantity in the formula. So here we write the value of pi is 22 by 7. Can anybody tell me why I write 22 by 7 in place of pi? Because the radius is the multiple of 7. So here 22 by 7 into 14 square, or it can be written as 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Now 7 divides 14 into time and we get 22 into 2 into 14. Now multiply 22 into 2, we get 44 and into 14. When 14 multiplied by 44, we get 14 4 ja 56, carry 5, and 14 4 ja 56, 56 and 5 is 61 centimeter square. Sorry, meter square. Meter square. This 616 represent the area of circle whose radius is 14 meter, not centimeter, that is meter. Meter. So this is the area. Now let's find the relation between the area of circle whose radius is not given. but the condition is given that, so here we write according to question, according to question. And the question is says that the area of a circle whose radius is twice, find the radius of circle whose area is twice the area of another circle. Let the area or radius of the first circle is R1. Let area of given circle is R, capital R. Therefore pi r square is 2 times of pi r square. The small r represents the area of the circle whose radius is given. Therefore, the area of first circle is twice the area of second circle. So here we write 2 into the value of pi r square, that is 616. 616. And now multiply 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2 and 1 3 and 2 6 are 12. This is the area of first circle. This is the area of first circle. And now we have to find out the radius, that is the capital R. In this case, we write the value of pi and put R as it is. So here we write 222 upon 7 into R square is equal to 1232. Now transpose this quantity. To the right hand side. We have R square is equal to 1232 into 7 upon 22. Now divide this by 22. So divide 22 by 2. 11 2s are 22 and divide it by 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. Now divide 616 by 11. 11 1s are 11. 11 5s are 55. When 55 subtracted from 61, we get 6 and put this digit 6 in front of the difference. So we get 66 and 11 6 are 66. Therefore, we get so that we get R square is equal to 56 and this implies R is equal to under root 56. So the radius of the first circle is under root 56. This root 56 represents the radius of first circle. And I hope the result is clear. Yes, the question is quite lengthy but no difficult. Now let's see the solution once again. First of all, we have to find the area of the circle whose radius is 14 cm by using the formula pi r square and we get 616. Now according to question, the area of first circle is twice the area of second circle, that is 2 times of the area of second circle. Let the radius of the first circle is capital R, therefore pi r square is equal to 2 times of pi small r square. And substituting the value of pi r square, that is 616, and multiplying by pi r square is equal to 1232. Now this 1232 is written as it is and the value of pi, that is substituted 22 by 7, and after transposition of 22 by 7 to the right hand side we get 7 upon 22, and after the simplification we get the result as root 56. So this is the solution of the first question. Now let's see the another question. The question is given here, and the question is, in the given figure, find. The figure is here. There is a concentric circle in which the radius of inner circle is 12 meter and the radius of outer circle is 15 meter. And we have to find the area of larger circle, that is the area of outer circle, the area of smaller circle, that is the area of inner circle, and the area of between this circle. Okay. Now let's solve it. First, here we write, let radius of inner circle and outer circle R is equal to R1 and R2 respectively. Okay. Therefore, solution 1, area of larger circle. So we write the formula pi, okay, and the radius of larger circle is R2, that is R2 square. Is that clear? Now substitute the value. We have since the radius is not the multiple of 7, so we write the value of pi is 3.14 into the value of r, that is 15 square. So we get 3.14 into 15 into 15. So here we get 3.14 and 15 into 15 is 225. Okay. Now find the product of 3.14 and 225. So here we write 3.14 and 225. Now multiply 5 4 ja 20, carry 2, 5 1 ja 5, 5 and 2 7, 5 3 ja 15. 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. Now add them. 0, 7 plus 8 15, carry 1, 7 plus 8 15, carry 1, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 1 16, carry 1, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, and 6 plus 1 7, and the decimal after 2 digits. So here we get the result as 706.50 meter square. So this is the result of first question, that is the area of outer circle. Now let's find the area of inner circle. Second, area of inner circle, and this will be written as pi r1 square. Also the radius is not the multiple of 7, that's why we also write 3.14 into 12 square. So it can be written as 3.14 into 12 into 12, and we get 3.14 and 12 into 12 is 144. Again multiply 3.14 by 144. Here we write 3.14 into 144. We get 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 1 is 4 and 1 5, and 4 3 is 12. Is that clear? I think the result is not visible, so let's change the color. Its color. again multiply 4 for the 16. 4 for the 16, carry 1, 4 1 are 4 plus 1 5 and 4 3 are 12. And now multiply 1, 4, 1 and 3. And the sum is 6, 5 plus 6 11, carry 1, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 1 12 and 2 2 4 and 1 5 and 3 plus 1 4 and decimal after 2 digits. So we get the result as 452.16 meter square. So this is the area of second, that is the inner circle. Now let's find the area between them. Since the area between them is finding by subtracting the area of outer circle from the area, subtracting the area of inner circle from the area of outer circle. Therefore, area between circles is equal to pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. Now let's write what is the value of pi r2 square. The value of pi r2 square is 706.50. So here we write 706.50 minus the area of inner circle, that is 452.16. Now find the difference. Here we write 706.50 minus 452.16. This 5 will give borrow to 0, it becomes 10 and 10 minus 6 is 4. And here 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 2 4 and this will give borrow and we get 10. 10 minus 5 5 and 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore we get the result as 254.34 meter square. And this is the result of this question. So student, I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, then you can ask your doubt in the comment section. I will clear in the next video. So student, we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.